Hi, I'm Ed with Rigid. Today we're going to talk about the K7500 drain cleaning machine. This is a professional machine. The capacity of it is 3 to 10 inch lines through 250 feet. Now the way that breaks down is you can use 5/8 cable for 3 to 6 inch lines up to 250 feet. The drum is capable of carrying 125 feet of it. You can also use 3/4 inch cable for 4 to 10 inch lines through 250 feet, and it will hold 100 feet of cable. The drum spins at 200 RPM. It has a universal motor. The drum is made of polypropylene, which means it won't dent or rust. It has a very robust power feed unit that we're going to talk about as well. 2-position stair climber in the back, which is right here. Okay, I'll turn this around some more so you can see it. So you have 2 of them there, and what that does is it helps you go up and down stairs with it, or in and out of a van or whatnot. It fits through a standard door, so the width of it is designed to go into bathrooms or anything that has a standard door width. Okay. Also, the handles are adjustable, and you adjust those by moving or loosening these 2 hand screws, and then you can bring this up and down where it's comfortable for the end user.